Hey everyone, welcome back to the Reading Recap. Today we're diving into a book called User-Friendly by Kuang and Robert Fabricant. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, understanding the principles that guide the design of our everyday tools has never been more crucial. User-Friendly delves into the intricate world of design, unraveling the hidden rules that shape our interactions with the products and services we use daily. It offers fascinating insights into how these design choices impact the way we live, work, and play, while revealing the crucial role of user experience in driving successful innovation. User-centered design is an approach that puts the needs, behaviors, and preferences of users at the forefront of the design process. To apply this method in your role, begin by identifying and empathizing with your target audience. This means observing and understanding their desires, frustrations, and expectations. By doing so, you can create products or services that truly resonate with them and address their specific needs. When developing a new product or improving an existing one, involve users early and often. Encourage open communication and feedback and make adjustments based on their input. You may also want to conduct usability testing to ensure that your design is both efficient and enjoyable to use. This will not only help you create more effective solutions, but it will also show your users that you value their opinions and are committed to enhancing their experiences. With user-centered design, you are actively engaging with your audience, fostering a strong connection that ultimately leads to better products and more satisfied customers. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem-solving and innovation that can be applied to a wide range of situations. To implement design thinking in your role, start by gaining a deep understanding of the people you are trying to serve. Observe them, listen to their stories, and empathize with their needs and desires. This will help you identify the real issues that need to be addressed and frame your challenges in a way that truly matters to your target audience. Once you have a clear understanding of the problem, engage in a creative brainstorming process to generate a wide variety of potential solutions. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and encourage collaboration among team members. After you have generated numerous ideas, evaluate and refine them, focusing on the most promising ones. Develop prototypes and test them with users, gathering feedback to iterate and improve your solutions. By embracing design thinking, you can create innovative and effective solutions that not only solve problems, but also resonate with the people you serve, enhancing their experiences and satisfaction. Simplicity and minimalism in design help to enhance usability and eliminate unnecessary complexity. To apply these principles to your role, start by analyzing your current products or services and identify areas where complexity can be reduced. Focus on the essential features and functions that your users truly need, and eliminate anything that doesn't add value or improve their experience. When creating a new product or service, be mindful of the user's cognitive load, which is the mental effort required to understand and interact with a system. By prioritizing simplicity, you can reduce this load and make it easier for users to accomplish their goals. Additionally, consider conducting usability tests to identify areas where users struggle or get overwhelmed. By addressing these issues, you can create a more streamlined, user-friendly experience that benefits both your users and your organization. Embracing simplicity and minimalism in design will not only improve the overall user experience, but also contribute to the success of your products and services. Emotional design acknowledges the impact of design on human emotions, aiming to create experiences that evoke positive feelings. To incorporate emotional design into your role, start by understanding the emotional needs of your users. Consider how the design choices you make can influence their feelings, whether it's through color schemes, typography, or the overall layout and structure. When developing a new product or service, think about the emotions you want to elicit and how your design can help achieve this goal. For example, if you want to convey trust and reliability, consider using consistent visual elements and straightforward navigation. On the other hand, if you want to inspire creativity and curiosity, you might opt for more bold and unconventional design choices. By paying attention to the emotional aspects of design, you can create more engaging and memorable experiences that resonate with users on a deeper level. Accessibility and inclusivity in design ensure that products and services are usable by all individuals, regardless of their abilities or disabilities. To apply these principles in your role, start by familiarizing yourself with various accessibility guidelines, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which provide recommendations for creating accessible digital content. When designing new products or services, consider the needs of individuals with diverse abilities, including those with visual, auditory, cognitive, and motor impairments. For example, you can use larger fonts, high contrast colors, and clear labels to accommodate users with visual impairments. Additionally, ensure that your digital content is compatible with screen readers and provide alternative text for images. For users with motor impairments, consider implementing keyboard navigation and designing touch targets that are large enough to interact with easily. Usability testing and iteration involve refining designs based on user feedback and insights, ensuring that the final product meets users' needs and expectations. To incorporate this approach in your role, start by developing prototypes of your designs. These can be low-fidelity versions such as sketches or wireframes, or high-fidelity versions that closely resemble the final product. Once you have a prototype, conduct usability testing sessions with real users. Observe how they interact with your design and ask them to complete specific tasks, taking note of any difficulties they encounter. Encourage open communication and ask for their thoughts and suggestions on how to improve the design. After collecting this feedback, identify the most common issues and prioritize them based on their impact on the user experience. Designing for behavior change involves leveraging design principles to encourage and influence user behaviors in desired ways. To apply this concept in your role, begin by identifying the specific behaviors you wish to encourage or discourage among your users. This might include promoting healthier habits, increasing engagement with your product, or fostering environmentally friendly actions. Once you've determined the desired behaviors, explore design strategies that can help facilitate these changes. For example, you can use persuasive design techniques, such as social proof or scarcity, to influence users' decision-making processes. Additionally, consider incorporating elements of gamification, such as rewards, challenges, or progress tracking, to motivate users and encourage continued engagement. By carefully crafting user interfaces and experiences, you can guide users towards the desired behaviors while still providing a sense of autonomy and choice. Design ethics involve considering the ethical implications of design decisions and their potential impact on individuals and society. To incorporate design ethics into your role, start by evaluating the potential consequences of your design choices, taking into account both positive and negative outcomes. Reflect on how your designs might affect users' privacy, security, or well-being, and identify any unintended consequences that could arise from their use. To ensure ethical decision-making, involve diverse perspectives in the design process. Collaborate with team members from different backgrounds and engage stakeholders who represent the interests of various user groups. This approach allows you to identify potential biases, blind spots, or ethical concerns that may not be immediately apparent. Additionally, establish clear ethical guidelines for your design practice, outlining your commitments to transparency, fairness, and social responsibility. Designing for cross-platform experiences involves creating cohesive and consistent experiences across different devices and platforms. To achieve this in your role, begin by establishing a set of design principles and guidelines that can be applied universally across all platforms. This will help ensure that your designs maintain a consistent look and feel, regardless of the device or platform on which they are accessed. When designing for multiple platforms, take into account the unique constraints and opportunities presented by each. For example, consider how touch-based interactions on mobile devices differ from mouse-based interactions on desktop computers, and adjust your designs accordingly. Prioritize responsiveness and adaptability so that your designs can easily scale and adjust to different screen sizes and resolutions. Design plays a crucial role in business success by driving growth, enhancing brand loyalty, and differentiating products or services in the market. To leverage design effectively, you must first recognize its value as a strategic asset, not just an aesthetic consideration. By integrating design thinking into your decision-making processes, you can uncover innovative solutions and create more meaningful connections with your customers. Focus on understanding your customers' needs and desires and use this knowledge to inform your design decisions. By doing so, you can create products and services that not only meet, but exceed customer expectations. This, in turn, can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and word-of-mouth referrals. The hidden rules of design shape our world, influencing how we live, work, and play. As technology continues to evolve and permeate every aspect of our lives, it becomes increasingly important to prioritize user-centered design, ensuring that products and services are accessible, inclusive, and emotionally engaging. Design ethics, usability testing, and cross-platform consistency are crucial factors in creating seamless, enjoyable experiences for users. As we move forward in an increasingly interconnected world, it is essential for leaders and organizations to recognize the transformative power of design and its potential to shape our future. By doing so, we can create a world that is not only functional and efficient, but also user-friendly and delightful for all. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful book breakdowns. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on user-friendly. How do you incorporate these principles into your own life?